Hello everyone, I'm Zoe from Shanghai First Packaging Group. Someone will be confused about the materials chosen for their packaging box. Today I will introduce the different kind of the corrugated paper materials which is most used in packaging box. For normal size boxes, we usually recommend the single wall corrugated paper. It can be 4 or 3 layers according to your printing requirements. For the single wall, we also have different thickness, such as 1 or 2 or 3 millimeters. It depends on your box size and bear capacity of box. For some very big box and it needed to hold very heavy products, we usually recommend the double walls corrugated materials, which has 5 or 6 layers paper, thicker and stronger to protect your products well. If you still don't know how to choose the materials, just tell us your products and inquiry. We will recommend you the most suitable options. Thank you.